Good morning, my cherished viewers and subscribers. Yes, I welcome you all to Nali TV 200. Yes, today video we are going to talk about how to turn your normal Facebook account into professional mode, and secondly, how to create content on Facebook to gain money. Yes, to earn. Yes, people have been earning $1,000, $2,000, $20,000, $100,000 a month on Facebook, and you are always there chatting, liking, and just watching videos and pictures. Madam, please, you are doing yourself. You're not doing good to yourself. So today we are going to learn how to turn your Facebook account to a professional mode, and after that, how to create content and how to boost your videos or whatever that you are good at. Yes, so please, before we start, please, I want you to do one thing for me. Please just subscribe to the channel and press the notification button to get more educative videos from me. Yes, please. And I want you to do one thing for me also. Please think about something that you are good at. Yes, something that you are passionate about. Yes, it can be a fashion, a comedy, whatever that you are good at, that you can create a quality content on Facebook to earn money. Yes, in this 21st century that we are in, we need to use technology to earn money. That's what we do every blessed day. Yes, so without wasting my time, let's go. Okay, as I said earlier, today we are going to learn about how to turn your Facebook accounts, normal Facebook accounts, into professional mode and how to create content. So on your phone, you just click on the menu. Yes, Facebook, you have the Facebook Lite, you have the normal Facebook account. It's the same thing, nothing changes. So you just click on your Facebook, then as it's loading, yeah, mine is loading. Yes, so you just log in. Have logged into my account. So after logging in, then you go straight to your account, your profile. Yeah, you just tap on the profile picture. You see that it has opened like this. You see, we have add to story, we have edit profile. Yes. So you go to the three dot, then we have a three dot there, then you tap on the three dots. Yes, and you wait for a pop-up menu to open. Then you can see account status, archive, activity log, review post, and tags. View as, turn on professional mode, and the last one is what, copy link to profile. So what we are going to do is we are interested in what, turning our normal Facebook account to professional mode so that we can create content on Facebook and earn. So you just click on the turn on professional mode. Yes. So you see turn on professional mode, see content inside, let more people follow you. Yes. Then you just turn on. So I've just turned it on, then it is loading. So you see, they have welcomed me to professional mode. Explore all the ways you can use professional mode to make the most of your experience. So what I do is start exploring, or you can choose done. Yes, you see, so congratulations on becoming a creator. So you can use this guide to get familiar with your new tools. See, so now I have turned my normal Facebook account into professional mode. So now I can create what, content. You see, now it has changed. So now you can see that appear Samuel with DH 4.6k followers. Yes, and I'm only following 1k people. You see, so now I can start posting. So let's go and see add stories and those stuff. So I can add stories. So let's go to see dashboard. This is what you can use to what, monitor your content. You see, now I have not created any videos. No. So here is what I can use. My performance, my video that I'm going to create, the number of people, their reaction, their interactions, the followers that brings to me, and all the views. So you can go to see more insights, fan engagement, ad center, events. You see, then you can boost your accounts too, so that it can reach a lot of people in which you are going to pay money. That one there, you just key in your details and you are good to go. So thank you very much, my viewers. This is what I wanted you to know for today. You just start creating. In our next video, we are going to create a video and I'll post this here, and I'm gonna show you how to boost your video so that it can go viral, so that it can reach a lot of people, so that you can gain, earn money from Facebook. Please The channel is Nali TV 200. Please subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. Thank you very much for doing that. I love you all. Bye bye.